guys, so in today's video I want to do a style the bump video. I am way into my pregnancy. I'm in my 3rd trimester. I feel like my belly just popped out of nowhere. So since the holidays is coming up and since a lot of functions is coming up, I feel like it's the perfect time to do a style my bump, especially with my belly being big. I feel like when you're dressing, especially pregnant, it's easier to dress when your belly is smaller and you're in your 1st and 2nd trimester. But when you get to your 3rd trimester, baby, that's when the complication happens. So I'm gonna show you guys some fits and show you guys how I've been dressing throughout my pregnancy. So let's get into it. So first things first, and I'm gonna talk about is dresses. When you're pregnant, you're trying to get dressed. You want to get dressed quickly and head out the door. A dress is going to be the perfect way to go. It's one piece of clothing item, you put it on and go. You don't have to worry about anything. So the first dress on my list is this dress right here, and as you can see, it has a nice high neckline. It has some ruching on the side, and it also has a slit at the bottom. And I got this dress from Amazon, and it was like the best $30 I ever spent in my life. When I was not as pregnant, I was in my 2nd trimester, I wore this dress and no one could tell that I was pregnant. So if you have a bit of a fupa, or if you're trying to hide or camouflage your belly this holiday season, this is the perfect dress for you. Also, it has a corset in the back if you want to be snatched to the gods and wear some undergarments and snatch your waist up with this kind of corset detailing that they have in the back. Is going to be perfect for you. Okay, I love the color. I love orange, especially in the fall and winter time. I feel like it's a good color, and you can mix and match this with ox blood, with purple, with red, and it's still going to look nice. You don't have to stick to black in the winter time. And I love this dress. I will say though, I felt like the slit was a bit high, so I got one of these dressy pins and I pinned up the side. So if you like a lot of leg showing, or if you just want to show leg and kind of camouflage your belly, this is going to be perfect for you. I feel like it's going to be perfect for like a holiday party. If you work in like a corporate area and you want to do something but you don't want to do too much, this with a pair of heels is going to be amazing. I wore it with a pair of heels in my 2nd trimester. Amazing. But I'm going to show you guys how I styled it now, especially now that I'm in my 3rd trimester. I want to give you guys options of more casual and dressy. So I'm sure I'll add the picture of me wearing heels in here somewhere. So I put my hair up and I wore these amazing earrings, and these are also from Amazon. I absolutely love them. They are orange and gold and they go great. Next thing I have is this purse. I've had this purse from Shein for forever, and I feel like this is going to be amazing. This is going to give the outfit some texture and it's going to give you something to look at. I love the fact that it has a short handle and it has a long handle, or I can just put both of them inside my bag and carry it as a clutch. My next favorite item of my whole pregnancy is these shoes. These shoes are also from Shein. I've had these shoes I think 2 years. So when people say that Shein stuff don't last, I can't relate. I absolutely cannot relate. I've had these shoes for about 2 years. I love the little peep toe detailing because you can get a bit of toe cleavage and the heels of your feet are out. And I love the color. It kind of have a bit of a snake skin print look, and then the gold big buckle. These are super comfortable. They look super nice with a dress, with a skirt, with pants. And because I wanted to dress it down a little bit more casually, I wore these, and also they are super comfortable. These are like flip-flops, literally, but more cute. And I also paired it with my Lorve sunglasses with the orange tint. I absolutely love these glasses. I feel like they accentuate my face a lot and it looks amazing. But the next item I have is also a dress, and this is a nice flowy silk dress. I love the oxblood purpley color. I feel like this is going to be perfect for the holidays. Thanksgiving just passed, but I felt like this would have been perfect for Thanksgiving. Christmas dinner is coming. I feel like this is going to be perfect for Christmas dinner. This is definitely a little bit more casual and not as dressed up, and I love the color. We still need to wear color during the fall and winter, and this is super duper comfortable. This is from Zara. I got this in a medium. I will say definitely size up because it has a nice detailing in the back, and I don't know if you can see it here, but I'll insert pictures or a video clip of the back. And the back and the neckline of this kind of is tight, so I definitely say take your regular size or size up. But I love the back detailing. I love how comfortable it is. This dress also have pockets on it, and I will say I absolutely love the pockets. And if you're pregnant now and you want some nice Bohemian dresses, definitely go to Zara because they're definitely on trend where that is concerned. And I feel like these dresses can translate from when I'm pregnant to when I'm not pregnant anymore. I haven't bought pregnancy clothing. I have bought clothing that I feel like I can wear even after my pregnancy because I still want to look put together and cute even after I'm not pregnant anymore. So I haven't invested in maternity clothing. I've invested in clothing that I feel like I can wear even after I'm not pregnant anymore, and I love this. I feel like I can just throw this on and go. I can throw this on and go out to eat. I can throw this on and go to a doctor's appointment. I can throw this on and go pick up my kids. I can throw this on and just still look cute, still look put together, and I love this. I actually have it in another color and I got it in a bigger size, and I've been wearing the hell out of it, but this is actually my favorite because of the color. And I also have these earrings that I got from Zara, and I feel like they go together real bad, and I feel like it's like a cute little combination. And put my hair up in a claw clip and let the earrings just show and hang and be pretty, be cute, and be comfortable, especially while you are pregnant. I feel like this is the vibe. This is a look. So the next outfit I want to talk about is this outfit, and I'm gonna do the shirt first because I feel like the shirt is amazing. So this shirt, it has like a tie on the side. You can adjust the side right here. It has some nice gold detailing, and this is from a black owned brand. It's called Leke. If you guys know anything about me, I love supporting black owned brands, and when I saw this, the price was a bit steep, but I love a good oversized top, so I got this, and it was $100, and I can't say I regret spending the $100. They actually, because I'm putting this to my face and it's white, it's kind of washing me out, but they have this in black, and I'm gonna get it in black because I like it so much. The quality of the fabric is amazing. I love how adjustable the side is. I love the fact that I can tie it up over here also. I love that the gold is not too gold and gaudy, so the gold look off-putting, but I love this top. This amazing. The softness on my body, amazing. And you guys will see a common theme of how I get dressed while I am pregnant. I have this skirt right here. This is a high-low skirt inspired by a real brand. However, every time I go to the brand's website, they never have the skirt in stock. So I went to AliExpress and I got this for way cheaper, and it fits amazing. And I love the elastic waist, and I love the ruching. And I love everything about this. This fits me amazing. It doesn't squeeze my belly. It looks good. Every time I wear this skirt and I'm pregnant, everybody always compliments this skirt. And I feel like because this is a bit oversized and this has a lot of structure, it gives a great juxtaposition. And I love that. And I would definitely pair it with my Chic bag. I've had this bag for about 3 years or 4 years. This is actually one of my most favorite, most used white bags in my whole collection, and I love this bag. This is a pure white bag, and if I could find it in other colors, I would buy it. Love this bag. And I also wore these flats with it. So as you guys can see, it's white. It has the buckle detail. As you guys can see, the common theme of how I'm dressing and how I look is not very different than how I would dress or look if I'm not pregnant. I just prioritize comfort more. And these are from Amazon. I love shoes like these, as you guys can tell from watching my video. They're comfortable, they're easy to slip on, and if you don't have your toes done, you don't have to worry about it because these are not going to show your toes. And I love the gold buckle detailing. It gives a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of something. So the next outfit is a skirt also, and I will say I've been loving a good skirt. I wear a skirt when I'm not pregnant, but because I'm pregnant, it's just one slip it on and go. This is green, and this is from Chic, and it's full length. It's all the way down to your ankle, and I love that. I don't have to worry about if my legs are shaved or if I'm gonna be chilly or anything like that, because this is all the way down to my ankles. I love that. I also love the fact that the side of this silk skirt is a zip up. So if I feel like my belly is a bit bigger today, I don't have to zip it up all the way, and I can customize it to how I'm feeling, especially since it's so long. I don't have to worry about it affecting my belly. And with being pregnant, especially in your 3rd trimester, your belly start growing at a rapid rate, and you have to make sure that your clothes is customizable, which is why a lot of times people go and get maternity clothing in their 3rd trimester. So I love the fact that this has a zip at the side and I can adjust it to how I'm feeling. I love the length. I love the color. Also a great color for fall. And I paired it with this Jeneex Future Collective top from Target. When I tell you I've been wearing this out, I literally wear this 1 to 2 times a week since I've been pregnant. Like, I throw this on with every and anything and go. I absolutely love this shirt, love the quality. It has stood the test of time in washing and drying. Like, I wish I had gotten the black version, but this have been doing me great. And I actually got this in an extra large. Love this shirt. And I know we are canceling Target, but they have another collab with Kalana which is another black creative, and there's some pieces from hers that I wanted, but they were sold out. But that's neither here nor there. But this fit is a nice standout top. So a cheetah print top, a zebra print top, something that's out there, which I love, and a nice color skirt, silk or satin maxi skirt, you can't go wrong. And I also want to give you guys options. So this is cheetah print. I feel like this is cheetah print or leopard print. Don't clock me. So these prints are harder to know, but this is amazing. This is an amazing look. I feel like I can dress it up and I can dress it down. Also, I'm giving you guys options. With that same skirt, I could do this top, and this is a zebra print top, and this top is actually from Chic, I think. I've also had this top for years and I've worn this forever, and this is a more longer sleeve top. I feel like this is going to be perfect if you live in a more colder climate. So a long sleeve top with some form of print and a nice maxi satin skirt is going to be amazing. But hold up. So this top and these shoes are actually from Walmart, and they are the No Boundaries, and I got them in a 10. I've been wearing heels like this throughout my whole pregnancy, this whole summer, because I feel like they're not too high, they're not too short, I can manage them, and they're comfortable. I will say this is not conducive, especially if you live in a more colder climate. I feel like some combat boots or some UGG shoes or whatever you feel is comfortable would be perfect with this outfit. But because I live in a more warmer climate and we can still wear flip-flops and slippers, I feel like this and those slippers would go amazing together. So this next outfit is something that I've wanted to wear for a long time, and I feel like it's gonna be the perfect time to execute it, especially with the holidays right around the corner. So the first thing is this dress, and this is a dress hold on, let me get it together. This is a cow neck dress, and it has like this snake skin print on it, and this is from the Carli Bible times Missguided collection, and I've had this in my arsenal for a super duper long time. Have I worn it? No. Do I think it's cute? I think it's very cute. But I'm gonna wear this as a top, and then I am gonna go in with these pants. These pants are from Amazon The Drop with another black creatives on Instagram. I can't remember her name, I'm having pregnancy brain, but I love her pants. And the reason why I love her pants is because of the cut on the front. It has a cross. Let me see if I can take it off. So it kind of cross over your belly, and I love the back. The back has elastic band, so it's not squeezing my belly also. So I feel like this and this is like the perfect color combination, especially for fall, winter. It's gonna look cute, okay? And as you guys know, a lot of people are wearing shirts, a lot of people are wearing dresses as shirts recently, and I feel like it's a perfect way to elevate your look, especially since this dress is kind of like asymmetrical at the bottom, and I can pull it up or I can make it shorter, and I feel like this is going to be like a it outfit.
We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost.
And the fact that this is Carli Bible by Missguided, you know I have been a official fashion girly for a very, very long time. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. I hope if you're pregnant, you got some inspiration, and even if you're not pregnant, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.